Before we raid the mushroom myths, this video is for entertainment and education only. I'm not a historian or a doctor, so don't use this as medical advice or a battle plan. Always do your own research before eating mushrooms or charging into war. Vikings. Brutal, fearless, shirtless in snow. But what if their legendary rage wasn't just adrenaline? Some theories claim berserkers, a special class of Viking warriors, entered battle under the influence of hallucinogenic mushrooms. Yup, mushroom-powered rage. Today, we test the theory. Did fungi fuel ferocity, or is it just folklore? Berserkers were elite Viking fighters known for wild, trance-like battle fury. Accounts say they howled, foamed at the mouth, and ignored pain. Some wore wolf or bearskins and fought with terrifying force, hence going berserk. But how did they reach this state? Enter the mushroom theory. Some historians believe berserkers consumed Amanita muscaria, aka fly agaric. It's a bright red mushroom with white spots, classic fairy tale, and low-key toxic. It contains compounds that may cause hallucinations, nausea, twitching, and altered consciousness. The idea, these mushrooms created a trance-like state that blocked fear and pain. Problem. Effects vary wildly. You might get rage or just diarrhea. Not all experts buy the shroom rage theory. Some say berserkers used breathwork, ritual chanting, and adrenaline, not mushrooms. Others point to henbane, a different psychoactive plant linked to ancient rage rituals. There's also the theory that Viking frenzy was pure psychology, hype, ritual, and group mentality. I didn't eat fly agaric because health insurance, but I recreated the berserker ritual using intense breathwork, cold exposure, loud battle, chanting in a bear onesie. Don't judge me. The result? Elevated heart rate. Adrenaline spikes, zero mushroom side effects, but a sudden desire to scream into fog? So is Viking shroom rage real? Maybe. Some texts suggest mushroom use, others say it's myth. But one thing's clear. Altered states plus ritual equals real physiological shifts. Whether it's fungi, chanting, or raw emotion, the brain responds. That's where the weird becomes kinda well. Want more warrior wellness or folklore detox rituals? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.